what's going on. Right now we're out on the south end of the Expo Center. The team, compact teams, they're all lined up. We're going to do a prelude of all the team, compact team cars that are lined up for the inspection. There's quite a few good ones. Look at the cradles on them things. Wow. That's crazy. The modifications they do on these is crazy. Very crazy. Oh, look at the shifter there. It's going. A lot of luminas.
He wanted to come down here, but
Lot of luminous. Big old bumpers. Yeah, these are all the team compact teams for at Blizzard Bash to get ready for inspection. I don't want to get too close to them. There you go. That's a little lineup of the compact teams for Blizzard Bash 2021 for Saturday morning. But I'm going to keep doing some videos and keep everybody up to date on all the good cars that are going to happen, get smashed up here at Blizzard Bash 2021. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.